Hello, this is Learn Arena School and you are watching a quick HTML tutorial. First of all, I would like to say that by watching this video, you will not become a professional web designer. But this video will help you to take a good first step in the long way of site design and programming. In this tutorial, I want to explain the most used comments in HTML. Then we will test these comments together. First, open Notepad from Start menu, click on File tab, and click Save. First, we choose a name for the file, then we change the file extension to HTML. The next thing to do is switch encoding to UTF-8 from here. Now we have an HTML file and we can put HTML codes in it. HTML consists of a number of tags. Each of these tags do a specific work on the page. Naturally, the first tag that we have to open is the HTML tag like this. Remember that most tags in HTML should be closed because they represent something in a specific section of the page to specify where the tag should run. And some tags do not need to define an area, so they don't need an ending. For those who need an ending, we use a symbol to close the tags, like this. And because in this case, we should close the HTML tag, we write an HTML in the middle, like this. Now we have to divide the page into two parts, head and body. In the head section, there are tags that mostly define the page information and data. For example, the title tag, which specifies the page title. So far, we have explained the head section. Now we'll explain about the body section. The body part, as its name implies, forms the body of the page. That means other tags will be located between the body tag. We have the HTML tag, which is divided into two parts, head and body. Inside the head tag, we use the title tag to specify the page title. In addition, we mentioned that there is a few other optional tags that we will review those later. Then we have the body tag, and this is the range of it, which is also specified. Now we save the file and open the saved file with the browser. As you can see, the page is blank, yes, because we did not put any content in the body section. But in the title section of the page, as you see here, the phrase we wrote is displayed. Now we need to add contents to the body section, and there is a few tags that are very useful, and during making these contents, we will review those tags. To start, we add a heading to the page, and to do this, we use the heading tag, obviously, which is showed as H. As its name implies, the H tag changes the font size in the page. In these tags, H8 has the largest size, and for smart sizes, you can also use H2 or H3 tags, and so on. Save the file again and check the result in the browser. Now we want to put a text paragraph in the bottom line of the heading. To do this, we will use the P tag, which stands for the paragraph phrase. We put the text we want between the P tag, like this. It's an example test, and you can put any content you want in here. And you can make another paragraph. We just need to copy the last paragraph we made for saving some time. The other tag I want to refer to is HR, which comes from the phrase horizontal line, and it will make a horizontal line for sure in the page, and It can be used to separate the two sections of the page like this. Here we have two headings with some text, and we added a linear HR tag between the two sections. Now we can save the file and see the result. One of the most important tags that you need most is the image tag that you can use to put pictures on the page. In the SRC section, we write the source address and name of the photo that we want to show on the page. In this example, the photo is in the same folder the HTML file is, so we only mention the name of the file. Otherwise, we have to write the full address of the image in the hard drive or host. In width and height section, we can write the height and width of the image as we want. And we can also leave these parts empty to place the photo in its original size, like this. To improve the position of the image and horizontal line that we put on the page, we use the break tag, which is written as follows. And its job is to create a space line. So in this condition, we use these tags so far. Now, we have to save the file again and check the result of our work. As I said at the beginning, the purpose of this tutorial is an introduction to HTML and the concept of programming and site design. And the next thing to do is to try other tags in your coding to get used to all tags. I hope this video was useful for you, and in the next videos we will learn about other tags like forms and tables with more details. If you like this video, press like button, and if not, be sure to write your suggestions in the comment area. We will use these comments in our next videos. Thank you.